Eastern Carolina Workforce Development Board. I'm here with Robert Fisher from Coastal Swiss Precision, and we have just started some training with them. We are funding part of some training that their folks are receiving. Robert, could you tell a little bit about this training and how it's going to help your business and your people?
GibbsCAM is a solid model program that will allow us to take and develop our parts electronically instead of us having to do it manually, and also to get it to the machine quicker, speed up the process, also bring our guys up to current methods of doing things in the computer world.
Awesome. So what is that going to mean for you production-wise? How is that going to help your company production-wise?
Well, in the past, the way we do things, we have to do it manually. This is going to allow, once we develop a part in the GibbsCAM program, that we won't have to redo it again. We used to have to take an old program and modify it to a new part. This way, once we got one in there, we're not going to have to be doing that anymore.
Great, great. So this training, this certification that your folks are receiving, you're receiving, what is that going to mean for them as far as down the road, maybe pay raises or increased responsibility, marketability?
As far as marketability, it's going to make them very valuable to if they went to other parts of the state or companies. Unfortunately, like I said, there's not a lot of industry in Eastern North Carolina, but it is also going to allow us to help interns come in with training, faster training, and it's good all around for all of us.
Awesome. Well, there you have it. Thank you.